Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can activate the pointer on your iPhone. So basically the pointer that you can use is this. You can use this as a pointer, or you can also get this one to be your pointer. So if you haven't had this button on your iPhone, let me show you how to you activate it. First, just open your setting application and just scroll all the way down until you got this accessibility. And this accessibility, you just need to go click this touch right here. And now this button could be called as accessive touch. So make sure that your accessive touch here is on. So whenever it's off, this button is already disappear. But then if you want to get it back, just go tap into this button and you already got this accessive touch on your screen. So you can use this as the pointer. But then if you want to get other pointers such as what I have right here, you just need to go click this custom gesture, and then you just need to tap into this pointer. And then you just need to go click create a new gesture. You just need to go click tap, and then you just need to go click stop, and then go click save. And then you just need to go naming the gesture. You can just tap it as the pointer, and then you just need to go click save. I already made one, so you will got this type of custom gesture on your phone, and you will got them on your accessive touch, and you will got this. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.